Kansas. This is the first round this morning. Flood risk is the greatest with this one. The second round will be from pop-up or scattered thunderstorms between 5 and 8 o'clock this evening. Some of those may produce small hail and strong wind like the thunderstorms that we received yesterday evening. We're watching the rain gauges this morning. It's a mild morning at 64 degrees, nearly 2/10 of an inch of rain in the bucket at KCI. That number will go up quickly through the morning. Over the last 24 hours, it's been a have and have-nots. The Knots, Trenton, Chillicothe, Marshall, Sedalia, Warsaw, into central Missouri, where we really need that rain, and just way too much here into northeast Kansas, which has led to flash flooding. And then here in the metro, officially, 3/10, but your neighborhood could have got an inch and a half. Neighborhood-sized downpours was the name of the game yesterday. 12-hour forecast for today in Kansas City. Heavy rain, some lightning, potential flash flooding through this morning, and a little drier early this afternoon, and then scattered thunderstorms will once again pop up between 5 and 8 o'clock this evening. And this will be a pattern that continues, at least through the end of the week, possibly over the weekend, with pop-up thunderstorms in the mornings through the evenings on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. High temperatures reaching into the mid to upper 80s, so it's going to be very warm and humid. Pop-up storms, that chance diminishes early next week into the middle of next week with highs in the 80s.